Hey everyone, welcome to Land Transit Gaming Part 4 for May 2023 Patreon. We do D&D 3D prints, Warhammer Proxy 3D prints. We do war tabletop style anime figures and figures in general. Um, if you want me to check out some Patreons I have not say or look, leave it down in the comments. I'll take a look for it and probably make a video for it as well. So we have ES Monster, very good anime and video game figures, I would say. So for this month, we have Trish from The Witchers. More anime-like, but you can get yourself an NSFW for it. We have Velma as well. I am not going to do the. That's going to be like stencil shit they got put over it. But yeah, you got your Velma. Those two, those were last month, but yeah, those two are for this month. So it's a very good reward. I got a majority of these, I believe, and they're very good prints as well. They don't do any support. That's a crazy one thing I don't like, but they don't do supports. Sorrowgate, a Warhammer proxy. I don't think they have anything out for. They don't do pictures anymore. I don't know why. I think they have been having problems, but they're good Warhammer proxies. Station Forge have multiple coming out every other day, but so far they got the proxy of Lionel Johnson for it. So if you can't get it like I did, you can get one from him, or you get one that looks like a copy of it uh, on the Cult 3D. And we have our, I think these are Mechanicus with a mask and everything else. I would love to do Mechanicus, but I feel like they are very going to be hard to paint and it's going to longer. You have your cultist as well. I am going to have to get some cultists because I have some chaos now. But I have to do Mechanicus later on down the road, even though it's going to be a pain in the ass to do stuff. So those three are out for now, but more will come later on, and you might go back and look at it some more. Azurma anime video game figures. No one know if they have anything for May, but I want to see if they have names out for it. They have nothing out for May right now, so I have to get back to that whenever chance. Francis Q's. Let's see here. They have nothing out for May yet. Usually they have a lot of stuff out for May, but okay. 3D and Bull Joy. Oh, this one is out. Taki for May. I know that's the only thing that's out for me for now, but usually I have more. I think figures for people takes a long time to make, tell you the truth for it. Daybreak miniatures for me. I don't want to see videos. I want to see pictures. Sneak peek. Yeah, I think it's crocodile, folks, for your game. So if you want to do crocodile, folks, go for it for your game. They're cool. And there's the owl shaman or spellcaster, owling if you're orc bust. But yeah, they're very good. They're very detailed too. Very detailed. I'll say right now. Wild Wave Way. So we have Tyrannid proxy looks like it, and they look grotesque for it. It looked like more like Zerglings, to tell you the truth, with these wings and shit. Looks more like Zerglings. I think these are Homergants. Uh, I think these are supposed to be Gene Stealers on this one. Oops. But that'd be a good proxy. You have your Skeletals, Skeletal Riders, and your Skeletal King that looks like a ripoff from Diablo 1 and 3 and 1 and 3. I don't think 2 would have had King Leorica in it. Shaman, your Elf Paladin, and some kind of a Dark Knight wearing riding on a nightmare. But yeah, this is what I want. The freaking tyranny looking things. for Wild Marsh. Warp Prime miniatures. These are D&D style. They swarm. I did some underwater. I don't know what they're gonna do. Oh, they got Demigorgon mimics. I forgot what those brain things are called. Oh my god. It's too early in the morning to making this. Yeah, Displacer Beast and a gold golem as well. Well, treasure golem, but usually it's animated object for those. But yeah, that'd be kind of cool looking. Have some cartoonish looking Demigorgon. I'll say that right now. But yeah, if you need some Demigorgon and stuff like that, yeah, Displacer Beast, that's kind of cute. You have your mimics. I forgot what they're called. Oh my god, it's on the top of my head. I know what they are. But that's kind of cute. I'm gonna print some of those and just kill my players with it. They might be have a low RC, a CR on it, but holy shit, they will kill you. Oh, they will murder you. Monsters Universe for the Dragon Tapper Lodge for a small price, for like 10, 12 bucks. You get a lot of shit. So we have some weird looking ones I did this month, I believe. Like a lot of them are like hand monsters and stuff. And they do throwbacks as well. So you got Bear Owl. So instead of Owl Bear, we got Bear Owl. Got Centaur and Vitius. Looks like Clockwork Centaur. You have a Draco and Vitius. So a Clockwork Dragon. So figures, you want to do things, so you have big hands. They have the hand thing from the Vectus campaign. So they have the hand of Vectus. It's like a cultist with his head is like a freaking hands and stuff. So you can use probably like that for it. If it has a Saurus Rex, it's like funny as shit. So you have like another clockwork statue, clockwork, a lion, iron golem, freaking plesiosaur. Reverse centaur says reverse Cupid's body head with a horse head. I gotta be some shit. Reverse Medusa as well. The Grabblers. Yeah, it's one of those things. Awakened tree. It's funny as hell. I will say that right now. But Dark Stalker, Dark Warden. Yeah, yeah, fucking big sense of humor. If you can do this as a DM as a freaking joke, like they're freaking high on shrooms, yeah, go do that shit. That's fucking hilarious. Us satyrs, hags, pens for Sir Sickle Set Staff variant, Shriant, Whisper Demon. They have a whole bunch of those out for it. Grimmark, another 3D Age of Sigmar and Warhammer 40k proxies. Hopefully they have stuff for me. So we have our Warhammer proxy. We got our dreadnoughts. Some of these tanks are good. This is a AT-AT that they revised without the wheels, but you could probably cut that thing off and add in wheels to it to make it more like an AT-AT. So we have our aggressors, Primaris aggressors right here, and we have a couple over here as well. So this is pretty good for proxy. I don't mind proxy. It does not really bother me at all. I know Games Workshop's like, oh my god, buy your shit, even though your shit is fucking expensive. For 20 bucks, you get both of those. We have our night goblin and the night goblins. That's pretty good night goblins for Age of Sigmar style stuff. Yeah, I do want to play Age of Sigmar, but a lot of my friend likes to play the what you call it Warhammer 40k. So you have your squigs. I gotta do squigs out of like bat squigs and stuff. So you have like squigs, little things. Kind of cool. Swarm of spiders. So that'd be kind of cool to do. Age of Sigmar. That's the next thing I want to paint some more. I have some Age of Sigmar. I have Night Haunts that I do want to get through. So the last one, K3D Studios. I think this month is Rogue. June, I think. May would be Superman, Zod, Zyle, Superman. April. Oh yeah, that's it. Well, yeah, subscribe, like, and share. If you do like the video, uh, you know, leave us a comment of what you like when we check out Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much and have a great day, guys. Take care. Bye bye.